Good morning, students. Today's topic is related to political science. Political science focuses on the theory of government and politics at the local, state, national, and international level. A government is the system or group of people governing an organized community, state, or nation. A government is responsible for creating and enforcing the rules of the society, defense, foreign affairs, economy, and public services. While the responsibilities of all governments are similar, those duties are executed differently depending on the form of government. Today, in the ninth lesson, we are going to learn forms of government. Let's start. There are different types of governments. Read the descriptions and name the type. In help box, republic, dynasty, monarchy, democracy, dictatorship, these words are given. First, it is a form of government in which one person who inherits or is elected to a throne is head of the state for life. These persons have different titles, including king, emperor, or sultan, in various governments. This type of government is called monarchy. Monarchies were the most common form of government until the 20th century. Today, 45 sovereign nations in the world have a monarch. Queen Elizabeth II is the current Queen of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth nations. Second, it is a form of government which means rule by the people. In this system, citizens take part in government directly or indirectly. There are free elections, majority rules, and minority rights. Political parties are a necessary part and it is constitutional government. This form of government is called democracy. The majority of the world's countries are now democratic. The Economist Intelligence Unit's latest world's strongest democracies are Norway, Ireland, and Sweden. Third, it is form of government in which an individual, a committee, or a group holds absolute power. In this system, the person or the group does not allow any opposition. This form of government is called dictatorship. Typically, dictators are put into power when a nation faces significant social issues, such as high rates of unemployment or unrest among the nation people. As of 2018, there are currently a total of 50 nations that have dictator or authoritarian regime ruling the nation to this day. Nazi Germany under Hitler and the Soviet Union under Stalin are the examples of modern dictatorship. Fourth, it is any form of government whose leader or leaders are elected usually for a specific term of office. It is governed according to a constitution. This form of government is called republic. Republic form of government in which a state is ruled by representatives of the citizen body. India is a federal parliamentary secular democratic republic in which the President of India is the head of state and the Prime Minister is the head of government. The republic is governed in terms of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. Fifth, a line of succession of kings of the same family. This form of government is called dynasty. The Zhou dynasty ruled China longer than any other dynasty in Chinese history. Do you know, students, The constitution of a country is a body of fundamental or basic laws according to which a country is governed. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country in the world, containing 444 articles in 22 parts, 12 schedules, and 124 amendments, with 1,46,385 words in its English language version. The Constitution of the United States is the world's oldest continuously active codified constitution, having been in force since 1789. Students, we have completed ninth lesson, Forms of Government. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, today we will play word grid. First, the person who is the supreme commander of the India Armed Forces. Who is he? Yes, correct. President. Second, 11th President of India was. Who was he? Yes, correct. He was APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as Dash of India. Yes, what's the answer? Correct. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as Missile Man of India. Students, we have completed ninth lesson, Forms of Government. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.